Are you looking for a plush mattress that supports back and side sleeping? Are you looking for a mattress that eliminates all pressure points? Then let's talk about the Helix Midnight Elite. Let's talk construction on the Helix Midnight Elite. So, this has a 7-pound memory foam, but before we get there, let's talk about the top. So every Helix that LiveWell sells has the first 2 inches of it are going to be the GlacioTex cover. Now this is the cooling cover. This is the ultra cooling cover. If you were to look on the Helix website, this is actually one of the top options on it. We carry it standard. The other thing I want to tell you about the Helix mattresses that we carry at LiveWell is that they come flat packed. They do not come compressed. So when we deliver your mattress is ready to use immediately. There is no compression. They all come just as you see them now. Now, underneath the GlacioTex cover, which is the cooling cover, you have a 7-pound memory foam. This is a 3-pound memory foam. This is standard. I mean, as you can see, it's still very soft, but you put a 7-pound memory foam in there. That is a memory foam that has been compressed so much that it's going to last you many, many years, and it is super, super supportive. Now, underneath that, you actually will have a layer of microcoils. Microcoils are something new that we haven't talked about very much with the Helix beds yet. The microcoils are actually a supportive layer that keep you from sinking in too far, and they also allow for airflow to go through. So that is one of the cooling things that's underneath this GlacioTex cover. Underneath the microcoils, I know this is a lot of parts, but stay with me here because I want to tell you. Underneath the microcoils is another layer of memory foam. Now, the layer of memory foam underneath it is a 3-pound memory foam. That is a standard memory foam. Other manufacturers will use that, so it's not quite as special as the 7-pound, but I will tell you that a 3-pound memory foam is also so compressed, and it's like above 90% of what manufacturers are using, because what it does is when it's pre-stressed, you won't get body impressions. So now we're talking 2-3 layers that are basically guaranteeing you that body impressions aren't going to happen. Underneath that, we have support foam. The support foam keeps you, it's going to keep you from going into the bed too far, but it's also going to keep you straight. How do I put it? It's important with a bed this soft that your back and that your hips are straight. Because if you start getting sway in your back, that's when you start waking up with lower back pain, middle back pain, stuff like that. This bed will not allow you to have that. So now let's go to the sleep test and see how I fit to this mattress. Okay, so let's start with side sleeping. So I'm going to have the white line coming across right now, and as you can see, my hips are a little too far into the mattress. Okay, that means this mattress would be too soft for my body type. I'm carrying way too much weight here than I am up top. But what we found was I can actually correct that by putting a pillow between my knees. So as soon as we do that, then you can actually see that my back actually looks straighter. So this would actually be acceptable, but for most body types, I'm going to have to tell you that this is so plush that I would recommend starting to put a pillow between your knees. Now let's get to how the mattress feels. This, I will tell you right off the bat, even like when we first got it into the store, this mattress was one of the most comfortable mattresses that I have ever felt, and I've been doing this for a while. I'm not going to call it a cloud, but I am going to call it super soft and very supportive. I have this initial part where I actually go into the mattress, but then I'm held up and kept from sinking too far. So for side sleepers, 0 pressure points and total comfort. Let's move on to back sleeping. Okay, let's talk back sleeping. So, I will tell you, I'll just tell you that this is like a dream. This is such a comfortable bed. You can feel that 7-pound memory foam. And I keep repeating 7-pound memory foam because that is truly special. This is the only company that I know of using a 7-pound memory foam. Other luxury brands are using up to a 4-pound foam. This is 7 pound. So this has been pre-stressed and compressed so many times, it's turned it into a 7-pound foam. The longevity factor in 7 pounds is no joke. This bed's going to last you a long time. But the feel of a 7-pound memory foam is just supportive and soft at the same time. You go into the bed, but you're still on top. It's a very strange feeling. There's no pressure points. I feel like my hips are in the bed a little more than my shoulders, but it's still very comfortable. I carry a lot of weight in this section right here. So I'm going to be cautious with people that carry their weight there. But if you carry your weight just kind of evenly throughout your whole body, I can tell you that this is an automatic recommendation. Other than that, I think I'm going to have to fit you to it. I am super happy in this bed though. This is something I could be happy with. Let's talk some stomach sleeping. So this is stomach sleeping. And I'm going to tell you that, I don't know if the white line shows it, but I can feel like my back is overarched. It's a little too soft for stomach sleeping. So right off the bat, I'm going to tell you that most body types, this is not for you if you're a tummy sleeper. I think you're going in a little too far on it. Yeah. Let's say no stomach sleepers on this one. I'm pretty comfortable saying that's not a stomach sleeper bed. So as you just saw, the Helix Midnight Elite is meant for side sleepers and back sleepers. Now it may not fit my body style, but a lot of my customers carry their weight evenly. For them, I could definitely recommend this mattress because it is super comfortable. I cannot tell you how comfortable this is. But I will tell you that because there was a slight variance in how my body fit the mattress, I can't recommend it for somebody like me that carries their weight more in their hips than they do overall. I can also tell you that as a stomach sleeper, you should not consider this mattress because regardless of your body type, you are going to sink into it and there will be a little bit too much flexing in your back for me to comfortably recommend it. All in all, I can tell you the Helix Midnight Elite is a wonderful mattress. It's just not for my body style. If this video has helped you, please like it, please share it. If there's anybody in your life that has been considering a Helix, please let them know about our YouTube channel. We have all of the Helix mattresses, the Luxes and the Elites covered in our YouTube channel. And we make these videos so that way you are educated when you go shopping for a mattress. This isn't just my opinion, we're actually showing you how they fit. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.